closest planet to the Sun, and highest temperature variation having planet. Giant asteroid impact survivor with a bizarre orbit. Enormous iron core but tenuous atmosphere. And magnetic tornadoes and so on. The planet which having all these is the Mercury. Let's learn some many about the smallest planet of our solar family. Welcome to the first episode of the series Some Many About. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, only slightly larger than the Moon and the closest to the Sun. Standing on Mercury's surface at its closest approach to the Sun, a star would appear more than 3 times larger than it does on Earth. It is the fastest planet with a speed of nearly 47 km per second. It takes 87.97 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It is named after the Roman god of commerce, messenger of gods Mercurius, corresponding to the Greek god Hermes. Like Venus, Mercury is also an inferior planet to the Earth, meaning its orbit lies within the Earth's orbit. It has a mean diameter of 4,879 km, comparable to the size of continental United States, and a mass of 3.3 times 10 to the power of 23 kg. This planet's density is the second highest among the planets in the solar system at 5.427 gram per centimeter cube, only slightly less than Earth's density of 5.515 gram per centimeter cube. Let's get into its structure. Mercury consists of approximately 70% metallic and 30% silicate materials. Mercury has a solid crust, a rocky mantle, and a large iron-rich core, which is divided into solid inner core and molten outer core. Mercury's core has more iron content than any other planet in our solar system. Many theories suggest the reason for its enormous core. The most widely accepted theory is that early in the history of solar system, Mercury was 2.25 times its current mass, and it was struck by a planetesimal which is 1/6 the mass of Mercury. The impact would have stripped away much of the original crust and mantle, leaving the core behind as a major component. A similar process known as giant impact hypothesis has been proposed to explain the formation of our Earth's moon. Mercury's surface is similar in appearance to that of the moon, showing extensive mare-like plains and heavy cratering. Mercury was heavily bombarded by comets and asteroids during and shortly following its formation 4.5 billion years ago, and also during the event late heavy bombardment that ended in 3.8 billion years ago. Mercury received impacts over its surface during this period of intense crater formation. The largest known crater is the Caloris Planitia or Caloris Basin with a diameter of 1550 kilometers. The most distinctive feature of the Mercury surface is the narrow ridges, which may have formed by the cooling and contraction of core and mantle after the solidification of crust. The Mercury has almost no atmosphere, but it has a very thin atmosphere called exosphere, which mostly composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Mercury may have water ice at its north and south poles inside deep craters, but only in regions in permanent shadows. Though Mercury's magnetic field is just 1% the strength of Earth's magnetic field, it interacts with the magnetic field of solar winds to sometimes create intense magnetic tornadoes that funnel the fast, hard solar wind plasma down to the surface of the planet. Now coming to its temperature, its daytime temperature can rise as 430 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost without an atmosphere to retain that heat at night, temperature can dip as low as minus 180 degrees Celsius or minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So it has the highest temperature variation among the planets in the solar system. Mercury speeds around the Sun every 88 Earth days at nearly 47 km per second, faster than any other planet in the solar system. Its orbit is the most eccentric in our solar system, meaning its orbit is the most elliptical. As I already told, Mercury has a bizarre orbit. It has a 3:2 orbital resonance, meaning it has 3 rotations for every 2 revolutions around the Sun. We will see about this elaborately in our coming videos. Is there anyone visited this planet? Not only one. Till date, it has been visited by 2 robotic visitors. The Mariner 10 was fly by Mercury in 1974 and 1975. And Messenger, launched in 2004, orbited Mercury over 4,000 times in 4 years before exhausting its fuel and crashing into the planet's surface on 30th April 2015. ESA's BepiColombo is planned to arrive at Mercury in 2025. That's all friends, we will see more about this tiny amazing planet such as its orbital resonance, sunrise and sunset, formation and etc. in our coming videos. To receive them, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you, signing off.